Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva Tena Gantavyam Brahma Karma Samadhina. Om. Realize that just like you, every entity is a soul and supported by Paramatma. If you start realizing that, you will definitely attain a peace of mind, and that will be maintained all the time. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall realize that just like me, every entity is a soul and supported by Paramatma. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Parasurama brought Kamadhenu along with its calf and gave it to his father Jamadagni and told him that he killed Kartavirya Arjuna. Then Jamadagni Maharshi saying to Parasurama like this, Rama Rama Mahabaho Bhavan Papam Akarashit. O Parasurama, by killing King Kartavirya Arjuna, you have definitely committed a big sin, because king is an embodiment of all the devatas. O Parasurama, we are Brahmanas. We should have Kshama Gunam, the mercy. Only because of that, we are respected in this world. Even Chaturmukha Brahma also got that position, portfolio, because of that Kshama Gunam. And Kshama Gunam, cultivating Kshama Gunam is Brahmana's very immediate, essential duty. Only when one has that Kshama Gunam, mercy, then Paramatma Sriman Narayana also will be very much pleased with them. Oh Parasurama, you have done that big sin by killing Kartavirya Arjuna. Killing a king is more severe than killing one Brahmana. So, to get rid of that papam, in order to carry out a propitiation activity, you have to be doing Tirtha Yatra while meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma Sriman Narayana. Like that, Jamadagni Maharshi saying to Parasurama. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 24th sloka. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmaivatena gantavyam. Brahma karma samadhina. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmaivatena gantavyam. Brahma karma samadhina. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.